They're going good, babe. You like it?
Me too.
Good.
They're going to start on it.
Stay here, Henry.
Hit the ground.
You want your chair?
Yeah.
Have his chair. I don't want to sit here long. Thank you. Okay, right here.
See, I don't have anything to put my seat.
Say please. Okay, maybe sit chair.
Look at that big one. Big. Hey, any more? Any more? Are they gonna start all day? Do you like fireworks? Do you like fireworks? Whoa, that was big. I can do that. Whoa, look over there. Look at that one.
Those are some low ones.
Too funny. I bet those are really nice.
I know.
Well, that just got my arm. That's on right here. That pirate went right there. Whoa. Did it get your arm? Did you see that green one? That's right there on my arm. Well,
Sit up a little bit.
Hey, can someone try a fall?
Well.
I don't want to walk. Whoa!
Right there. See the nose?
Oh, I can see it. He's like a Chinese guy. Whoa.
There we go.
Did you see that green one? Whoa, look at all that crap. It's like
All that
Are you taking the picture?
Yes.
I can't wait to see and you.
Videotaping it.
See you. You see that green one? I just saw it. Oh, my arm just light up. Oh, with the fireworks.
Her arm just lit up.
Whoa, it light up again. They keep lighting up.
Her arm is
Whoa,
light up.
the hair light
So her
up.
arm light up.
Let's see if it light more fireworks.
India, you're too funny.
Hey, is there going to be any more at the end?
Yeah.
It's going to be green. Like that's green. That's the green has green.
India said it's going to be extreme.
It's going to
Like
look
that
like,
one.
It's going to look like trees. Yeah, and like oranges. Did you see that?
What?
Did you see
Yeah,
that?
just put a little small.
I
Spent all
saw
that
it.
money on something like
Like-
$5, $10 on that little.
Look at the
Look at that, Indy.
Oh, thanks.
That's as big as your mom right there.
It's dark outside, see? It's dark outside.
No kidding, India.
So dark.
All right, Indy, you ready to go back?
No,
Okay.
it's not over yet.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. There's a lot more.
Guys.
sit on?
Hello?
You're probably pausing like in the real thing.
I'm not hearing you.
Said yeah.
I can't hear you well. So you have a good
When
evening?
he gets, is he going to sit there all the time?
I'm not hearing you right now.
Hey, Fireworks. Hey, India. Look at this. I'm on my jammies. You are? Why? Yes. I mean, I'm
They
on.
have to drive home. Drive.
Yeah, we need to go home. No.
Where?
What's nice?
Hey, what's up? Hello? I'm not hearing you right now, though. I tried to get a hold of you a little bit, but I can't hear you.
I got that. You
That's
want
it. That was grand finale. Woo! You ready to go home, Indy?
No, is it done?
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's one more.
Okay, and then it happens.
There's more.
Isn't that weird? I could call her from Guatemala.
More?
I got Skype on my phone.
Yeah.
Weird.
Told ya.
Couldn't hear
Told
her for a
ya.
while, though.
I was talking.
What?
And who?
Oh, no.
I want to see I want to hold it tight. Nobody's got it.
Nice.
No.
No, it's just making business.
It's almost a grand finale.
Okay, there's your grand finale.
Now there's more.
Fireballs.
Is it over?
Almost.
I was on that.
Getting it on.
Trying to.